So I'm going to show you how to convert from way to ether and from ether to way using web3js. So basically what we're going to do now is let's to convert from way, because whenever you're working on any blockchain project, your values are always in way. The values that the blockchain gives to you is always in way. So you basically can't log that onto the screen of the users as way. So you have to be constantly converting to and from way. So let's do a basic example. So we're going to do a web3.utils dot from way. So first things first, I'm going to put in the number we are going to be converting. So we're going to be converting, let's do 10 ether. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So this is basically 10 ether in way. So the from way is taking two arguments. The amount we are converting from way to ether, and the second one, which is just going to be ether. This ether is going to be the same all throughout. So we're going to enter. We can see it is 10. So these have been converted to 10. So let's convert 10 back to way. So we're basically going to do a web3 dot utils dot to way, going to be passing in the argument time and ether. So basically what we're doing now is converting the number to way. Okay. So another thing, sometimes you want sometimes you're working on a project and you want users to always put in the correct um, Ethereum address. Like in your input box, you want the users to always put in an input address. So you want your contract, sorry, you want your front end to be always checking whether the address that was imputed is an Ethereum address or not. So what we are basically going to do, we are going to use the web3 dot is address. This address is checking if an address is an Ethereum address or not. So what we're basically going to do is we're going to do a web3 dot utils dot is address. So that is going to take in. So let's firstly put in a random address. Put in x page, put in dead address. Let's see. You see, it's false. It's not an Ethereum address. So let's use one of the organized address. Let's use that. Let's use this to test if it's going to work or not. So let's do a web3 this utils dot is address. So going to person, we're going to paste. So it's so you can see it's true. It's an Ethereum address. So whenever you're working on a project, you are going to be using these um, most of these um, things that we are doing here. So let's check. Whenever you are working on a project, please try as much as possible to always go through um, the Web3 documentation, because it's obviously going to help you a lot. Okay, always go through the Web3 documentation. Even as you're watching this video, always go through the Web3 documentation because it's going to help you a lot and it contains a lot of information you basically need to know. So as a blockchain developer, you need to know all your documentation and make use of them. So I'll catch you guys in the next video.